Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Cherokee Specialist. So we're looking at a 2024 Winnebago View, and here's two solar panels that are up here. We're going to go ahead and add two more today and plug them into that port right there, and then we're going to plug in another one to that port right there. So Terry's getting ready to go and get all the stuff. He's going to have to clean up the surface of the roof really good so that he can mount these down. They actually get put on with a double-sided sticky tape that's already on the back of the solar panel. That's one that's just sitting there on top of the AC. He was just making sure that it would fit in the area that I told him it would go. So again, we're going to put one right down there. He'll connect it right over there, and then we're going to do the same thing right here. So we're actually going to take and put a self-leveling silicone around the perimeter of them instead of the turn-on patch tape, because if the turn-on patch tape ever starts to lift or curl or come loose or let loose, it'll allow water to get underneath of them. And here a while back, this back molding, it's just a little dusty, but that had no sealant on it at all. That's the self-level silicone for fiberglass roof. So we're going to put that on there, and then just like they sealed everything else with the self-level silicone. So it's just dusty and dirty up here. But all right, well, stay tuned for more, and we'll get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. Dustin, Cherokee Specialist.